Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything and I'm really not the best at being consistent, but I'm getting better. So I recently redecorated my balcony, made it over. I did like a balcony makeover and I filmed it and I want to show you what I did and how I did it. So keep watching so you can see my small balcony makeover. So now that the balcony is all cleaned up, we're gonna head over to Home Depot so we can buy some fake grass, some nice pillows, a nice patio set, and transform this balcony. So we've got butt pillows for $20, fake grass for $99.99. Well, I got it for 25% off. And there are the dimensions. And decorative pillows. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. I also saw these ones too. Gosh, I wish I could have bought like a whole bunch, but you know, balling on a budget. Okay, so we had to go back to the store and get a second one because we decided we wanted to fill the whole balcony with the grass. So now I'm going to cut this one along the edges here. See, the X-Acto knife cuts right through that, and then it's gonna end up being just like that side there. So now what I'm doing is I'm just like tying like a string to the pillows so I can tie them to the chairs so that they don't fly off the balcony because I do live on the top floor and it's very windy. And here is the final reveal of my balcony makeover. It's not anything special, but it is a lot cozier and comfier than before. Keep in mind this is a small balcony, so I was working with what I have and I spend a lot of time on the balcony now. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna go chill on my balcony. Bye.